This is the 10th episode in our Korea drone series. Today, we'll show you stunning aerial views of two symbolic locations in Busan, Marine City and the National Maritime Museum. First, we fly over Marine City, a cluster of high-rise buildings along the Haeundae coast. These glass towers shimmer in the daylight and glow like jewels at night. This elegant district, filled with luxury condos, hotels, and restaurants, shows Busan's modern face. From above, the harmony between the city and sea is truly breathtaking. In the second half, we explore the National Maritime Museum at the tip of Haeundae Island. As the largest maritime museum in Korea, its futuristic curves resemble a massive ship by the sea. Inside, it features exhibitions, an aquarium, and kid-friendly interactive areas. It's a perfect blend of education and leisure, making it a popular spot for families and tourists alike. Aerial footage reveals the museum's bold design and the vast court behind it. In this video, you'll experience the contrast between the vibrant energy of Marine City and the calm seascape around the Maritime Museum. Our drone captures both with a dynamic and peaceful perspective. Enjoy the magnificent views of Busan from the sky, and thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and enjoy the full video until the end.